All right, congratulations. You want to set up your LLC in Alaska. I'm going to walk you through the steps of exactly how you have to do it. Now, the Alaska website is not the easiest to navigate, but we are going to make this happen. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in the search bar. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to alaska.gov. I'm going to type in LLC registration. All right, it's going to take you to this web page, and what you're looking for is this right here, forms by entity. Just click on that. It will then bring you to this web page. You're going to click on limited liability company, domestic Alaskan, and then you're going to click on articles of organization online. It's going to cost $250 in a filing fee to get this set up. So click on that. And it's going to bring you to this page, kind of goes over a lot of the things that you need to know before you do it. You're going to hit the proceed to online filing. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have a name. I'm not going to get into the nitty gritty on how kind of the science behind picking out a business name. The main thing you need to realize is that in your business name, it needs to have LLC at the end. So if it's Bill's Lawn Care, it's going to be Bill's Lawn Care LLC is the name of your business. So I'm not going to go through typing everything or make you watch me do that. I'll do that behind the scenes, but you're going to do that there. You're going to put the purpose. What is your business? What are you selling? What's your service? And then here it has the NAICS code. And all you're going to do is it has all the different descriptions of different businesses. Go through that, see what most closely resembles what you're going to be doing as a business and select that. Now, the registered agent, this threw me off the first time that I formed a business. I had no idea what a registered agent was. It sounded very professional, and I wasn't sure if I needed to get a lawyer. It kind of threw me off, but it's easy. The registered agent is going to be you. You are the registered agent. The registered agent, what that means is where Alaska is going to send all of the business documents, legal documents, notices, and things like that for your business. You are just going to fill out this information. It's going to be typed, it's going to be individual, and then you're going to fill out all your information for this. So you just fill all that out. And then the next part is going to be entity address. So where's your business going to be? If you're working at a home, then you just put all your home information. If you already have an office, put the office information. And then you can select limited liability company is managed by managers or by members. You can kind of decide what you want to do there. There really isn't a big difference between the two. You could just put by managers. Organizers, that's going to be you as well. So you can just put your information for the organizer. Optional provisions. If you wanted to add something in there, if you want to have like your operating agreement or something along those lines, you could add that. I wouldn't. So I don't click the have optional provisions. And then the name of the person that is completing this. So you're just going to put your name and your phone number. And then you're going to click that at the end. So I'm going to do this all in the background and not make you watch me do this. So I'm going to do that right now. All right. Now that you have that all filled out, you're just going to scroll to the very bottom and click proceed. Now you're at the review part of this. So it's very important that you review all of the information that you have, that it's all correct. You don't want your name misspelled, especially your business name misspelled, your address, everything correct. A lot of states will charge you to go in and change that. So just make sure that everything is correctly spelled and everything looks right. So double check, triple check, make sure it's all good. Okay. So you can do that here by clicking on the review filing if you want to do that. And if not, you can do proceed to payment. Now here, you're just going to put in all the information. You're going to have all the credit card information, whatever you want to put, your email address, and then you're going to hit submit payment. Now, once you've hit submit payment, typically it takes about 2 to 3 business days to process your registration. You normally will get a confirmation email back that has been received, and then you'll just wait a couple of days to see where you're at. And then once you receive your articles of incorporation, the next step to completing setting up your business after you have established your LLC is getting an EIN set up. Now, EIN is employee identification number. It's essentially your social security number for your business. And you have to have this if you want to pay your taxes, hire an employee or employees, to set up your business bank account. You'll need this as well. So you definitely need to have it. Now, it's a very easy thing to get set up. If you click on the link below, it'll take you to our website. We have a very easy video on how to set that up. Not only that, but there we also have a ton of different business documents that you'll need while you are operating your business. These are documents that I have curated over the 15 years of running multiple different businesses that I wish I would have had when I first started out. It saves you tons of time and tons of money. There are business websites out there that not only will charge you to set up your LLC, they'll charge you to set up your EIN. They'll charge you they'll charge you for all of these different business documents that we're going to be giving you. Now, the interesting thing about a lot of those businesses is they charge an annual fee every single year to keep these business documents. We charge a flat rate that is less expensive than their annual fee. Go check that out. There's tons of other videos on that website as well. We'll help you with building your business, growing your business, dealing with angry customers, angry employees, and everything that you need to know. It is an amazing website. Go check that out. Click on the link below. You need to get your EIN. That's the next step. So click down below, check out the website, and let's get your business continue to grow and establish correctly.